Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever opened your mailbox and found a letter from a law firm you've never heard of? Your first thought might be panic, wondering if you're being sued. But hold on, don't shred it just yet. There are several very common, and often harmless, reasons why a lawyer might be sending you mail. Let's break down the most likely scenarios. The number one reason is simple advertising, also known as solicitation. If you've recently been in a car accident, received a traffic ticket, filed for a business license, or even been involved in a public property dispute, that information often becomes part of the public record. Law firms that specialize in those areas pay for services that scan these public records and then send out targeted mailers to people who might need their help. So, that letter about your recent fender bender isn't a threat, it's just a very specific ad, like a pop-up ad but on paper. Another huge reason is a class action lawsuit notice. This happens when a large group of people are affected by the same issue, like a defective product, a data breach at a company you use, or misleading advertising. If you bought that product or used that service, you are automatically part of the class of people who were harmed. The law requires that you be notified. This letter isn't from your lawyer, it's from the lawyers representing the whole group. It will explain the lawsuit and give you options, like staying in the group to get a potential settlement, or opting out to pursue your own case. It's information, not an accusation. On a more personal note, the mail could be related to an estate or probate matter. If a relative or someone who named you in their will has passed away, the law firm handling their estate is legally required to notify all potential heirs and beneficiaries. This letter is to inform you of your potential interest in the estate. It's a crucial piece of communication, so you definitely want to read it carefully. Now, for the one you should take most seriously, debt collection. If you have an outstanding debt with a company, like a credit card or a medical bill, they might hire a law firm to collect the money. This is a step up from a standard collection agency and often means they are considering legal action. This letter will demand payment and explain the consequences of not paying. Do not ignore this type of mail. Finally, it could just be a mistake. They might have the wrong person with a similar name, or an old address for someone who used to live where you do now. So, before you worry, read the letter. It will almost always tell you exactly why they are contacting you. It's usually just an ad, a notice, or important information you need to know. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations of everyday legal questions.